Alright, welcome back to class. So now we're going to be looking at the SumIF in conditional logic. If you've never watched our video on the count if, I would advise you to do that. So the SumIF is very crucial in Excel and you need to know it to forge ahead. So the SumIF, we have, as you can see here, this is the formula for the SumIF. We have the SumIF and the argument, which is the range, the criteria, and the sum range. So here, if you've watched our other video in count if, you know that we have something like the range and the criteria in the argument. But here we have three arguments, which is range, criteria, and sum range. So here range and criteria are the same with count if, the range of the cell to start and what you want Excel to look for. The sum range is like range, but it sets a new range of cells. So to clarify that, we're going to be looking at some examples. Alright, so as you can see here in this new spreadsheet, we have the name of students who just are students of a particular school, and alright, so these are the fees of the different students. You could see that some have more than some. That means that maybe some have paid, and while some their school fees have accumulated, that's why it's more than others. And this is, we have has paid. So the has paid, if you see through here, that means the person has completed the school fees. But if you see false, that means the person is still owing. So we have the name of the student here: Martha Thomas, John Maria, Timothy Amaka, Mike Anthony, Emmanuel Edi, Eteng Jonathan, Oren Itu, Edem Eta, Julie Philemon. Alright, so and these are the school fees they are to pay, and this is to tell us if they have paid or not. So wherever you see true, the person have paid; wherever you see false, the person have not paid. So we are going to look for the total paid and still owed by this student. Alright, so for us to get that, we are going to use this formula, this SumIF formula. So let's go to a live example. So for you to do that, we go first with our formula and we say SumIF. Okay, SumIF. So now what is the range? The range we're going to be looking for is this. Alright, like what we are looking for, a range of C3 to 11 to C11. Alright, so we're gonna say C3 this to C what to C11. Okay, and we say what, you put your comma, don't forget your comma sign. So we're going to look for through the number of people that have paid and how much they have paid, the total paid. So we're going to say comma, okay, through and so what is the sum range? The sum range is the numbers here. So what numbers you want Excel to add up? Alright, so we are going to add the numbers of through here. That is what this implies. So the number of people who have paid will be the sum range here, which is we are summing them, but we are going to say we are summing from what, B3 to what, B11. So Excel is gonna automatically give us the answer. Alright, you put down your enter. Alright, so this is the amount, the total amount that has been paid by the student. So this is the total amount of the true. So we are going to look for the total amount owed, or the total amount that is still owed. We still go back to the same formula. We said equal SumIF. We say what has paid, which is C3 to C11, comma, we say what? False, comma, and we say, then we'll go back to the sum range, which is what? B3, B11. Okay, enter. So this is the amount that is owed, 207,300, and then the money that has been paid is 247,833. We're going to format this in Naira. Alright, so that is how to use the SumIF function in conditional logic. You can see that SumIF function makes things easier in Excel, just like other formulas make things easier. So I advise you to practice on your own, become perfect in them all, and ask questions. Drop like, subscribe to our channel, and that would be nice. See you in the next video.